Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube videos. So this is me. Right now it's a 5:30 a.m. I was on my way going to hike at Morialta Conservation Park. We had plans with my friends, but guess what? They failed me. But anyway, I had to do it because I was determined and I wanted to hike this morning. So watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Hi and good morning people. Season is sangapi? Nitakwambia sangapi season mnaona? What time is it? It's 6:02 a.m. So this is it. My friends and I decided to plan for a hike this morning. That is on Monday. 18th, Monday 18th morning. Na nikalala mapema. Jioni kuja hike. Sasa nimewapigia simu. Ndio nishatoka kwa nyumba. Guess what? The energy that I have, usingizi nilala ingine nimepoteza asubuhi, can never be me. Can never be me. Guess what? Nishafika. I even changed the destination. I was to go to initially we had planned we are going to what does it? Mount Lofty. Yeah? Because that Mount Lofty, ukicompare na Morialta, Mount Lofty it's a little bit hard. So that's why we had planned to go. But now, nime change direction. Nimekuja Morialta. It's 6 a.m. And guess what? Napanda yo mlima. Peke yangu. Aya, twendeni. Acha nionyeshe kwenye tunakaa huko. Ona. Usiku. Guess what I've done, guys? Nimefanya a mistake. But still I'm going to kupanda yo mlima. Nimefungia funguo zangu kwa gari. Kwa trunk, in fact. What the heck? So guys, guess what? I'm going up right now. And then I want to time myself because it's 6:09. I want to time myself. Here. Okay, I was setting up. You see? Let me start. Where is it? Let me start it. Press here to continue. You see? I'm starting walking at 6:10. And guess what, guys? Mimi ni cheesy. So apparently I'm going to do it as fast as I can because I have only like 2 hours to start my shift. Itabidi nikifika huko juu nipigie arele roadside assist wako ndio wanisaidie. So let's see how far are we. We've walked for 6 minutes. Okay. And we keep going. I think now I'm in a good place whereby you can see Adelaide. Oh. Nahema kama punda. This is Adelaide. So right now it's at 6:30 a.m. Okay. So, but the funny thing is you can't be in a position to see me, guys, because it's dark. Not unless I turn my camera like this. And now you can see me. Yeah, we keep going. Oh, finally I'm here. Guys. So I am here. It's 6:30 a.m. right now. And keep moving. Not even. Deep view look. So this is how my view is this morning. I'm going to let you guys know how many minutes will it take me to finish up, because last time when I was here with my friends, it took us, the first time it took us around 1 hour 45 minutes. Yep. The second time, because I was going with the pace, then the second time took us 1 hour, I think 30 minutes. Yep. So today it is me and me alone. Let's see how many minutes will it take me. Okay, I want to remove my clothes now because like I'm feeling it. Wow, guess what time is it? Let me tell you guys what time is it. My watch may stop, but it's a 6:35 a.m. in the morning. 6:35 a.m. You see, lazima hii watch ina stopping when you stop, because it records the motion. You see, just 6:35 and I've walked for 1 kilometer. The 20 minutes. We keep going. The energy that I have today. So right now it's a 6:40 a.m. in the morning, and I am somewhere around here. So those people who normally come here, they definitely know. So because I'm almost like 3/4 of, is it 3/4? I think 3/4 of hiking. Okay, so Morialta Conservation Park. This is where I am today, hiking. It's crazy. Hey, ona sasa kumekucha. Oh my, this is so good. This is so good. I feel freshened up. Yeah? I feel good, guys. Kujengeni tuanzange nini hiking 6 a.m. in the morning, and then you'll like it. You love it. See now. Hamko mnaniona, saizi mnaniona ndio mimi huyu. And I'm all by myself, guys. So we keep moving. We keep fit. And as my t-shirt says, get fit, get lit. Namsahau kununua hoodie zangu na t-shirts za Anti-Fit Nation. Okay? Now guys, it's a 6:54 a.m. in the morning. I was ringing up my RAA, roadside assist, to come and help me, because unfortunately I locked my car key kwa trunk. So sijui bona nacheka. Na saizi saa moja ndio nileka. So it took me almost like 15 minutes to get them. So right now nataka kuteremka. You see? It's 6:55 a.m. So guys, let's keep walking. Okay? Tuendelee. I keep going, guys. So right now it's at what time is it? Is it 7:01. 7:01. Let me tell you guys, ile energy niko nayo. The energy that I have today. Okay. Oh. Msitu peke yangu. Lakini hii hasira yote napelekea auntie. Auntie ni amefanya niko na maswali leo. Nimefanya niko na maswali leo. Oh. Sikiza sauti za nyonde. They're making it feel cold. So, guys, you know what? You know what? Right now, right now it's 7:20. Mkono wangu imeganda, imagine. Anaweza kimbia kidogo sababu ni flat. Guys, I don't know if you can see, there are people down there going up. Let me show you. Can you see 2 people? No, not even 2. There are 4 people. That's Adelaide. Let's we keep walking. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? Finally, we're down here. So, guys, hey, 7:32. It took us, okay, because this my watch normally records motion, so it took me 57 minutes. 57 minutes because I'm finally here. It took me 57 minutes. And then guess what? Guys? Oh, finally. Wacha tuonyeshe are. Ndio hawa. Imagine nimefikania na wao. Ndio hawa. Nimefunguliwa gari. Niko na how many minutes? It's 7:39. Niko na 20 minutes. I'll make it. Like I was so worried. I was so worried. Nilikuwa nashindwa sasa. Nifanye nini jamani? I was like nifanye nini? But finally it took me 57 minutes. It took me 57 minutes to go up there and come down, although I was just recording. So next time nikikuwa like say record like naenda nipande and then I just come down. I will make sure to record exact time that it will take me to go all the way up the hill and then come down. Anyway guys, that's how my morning was. Anyway, I'm so happy that I had to go up and then come down and then everything that happens. I'm so super happy and excited as well. So guys, don't forget to watch my video, share to your friends. Until the next video, bye.